Syamantak gem's journey. Satyajit had a brother named Prasenjit who was very fond of hunting. One day, Satyajit gave the Syamantak gem to Prasenjit. Prasenjit wore that gem around his neck and went to the forest. While hunting in the forest, a lion attacked him and killed him. The lion, which was attracted to the glow of the gem, took it to its cave. On the way, it was killed by a bear named Jambavan. Jambavan took the gem to his cave and gave it to his son to play with. Days passed and Prasenjit did not return. Satyajit was worried. He started suspecting Krishna of killing his brother for the gem. In order to prove his innocence, Krishna set out to look for Prasenjit and the gem. Soon, Krishna found Prasenjit's dead body. A lion's footprints nearby led Krishna to the dead body of the lion. On further examination, he found the footprints of a bear nearby. Krishna's curiosity increased. He and his team started following the bear's footprints. Krishna tracks the gem. Following the bear's footprints, Krishna soon reached Jambavan's cave with his troop. He instructed his troop to wait outside the cave and entered the cave alone. A furious fight started between Jambavan and Krishna. In the beginning, Jambavan did not know who Krishna was, but soon Jambavan lost all his strength and Krishna defeated him. Jambavan saw the image of Lord Ram in Krishna. Jambavan fell at Krishna's feet at once and said, "O Supreme Power, how could I not recognize you? I have committed such a big sin. How could I fight against the Supreme Power of the world, the one who runs the entire world? O Lord, I would like to present you a precious gem that I found in the forest." Jambavan gave the Syamantak gem to Krishna. He also requested Krishna to marry his daughter Jambavati. Krishna returned to Dwarka with Jambavati and the gem and returned the gem to Satyajit. The journey of Syamantak gem continues. Satyajit sincerely repented for having suspected Krishna of stealing the Syamantak gem. So to make up for his accusations, he offered the hand of his daughter Satyabhama to Krishna. There lived two brothers named Shatadhanva and Akrur in Dwarka. They were jealous of Satyajit and wanted to acquire the Syamantak gem. Shatadhanva killed Satyajit when he was sleeping and took away the gem. Satyabhama had witnessed all this and told everything to Krishna. Meanwhile, Shatadhanva gave the Syamantak gem to his brother Akrur and asked him to flee from Dwarka. Unaware of the fact that Shatadhanva had given the gem to Akrur, Krishna and Balram followed Shatadhanva. Krishna killed Shatadhanva but could not find the gem. Balram thought Krishna was killing innocent people, so he left Krishna alone and did not return to Dwarka. When Krishna reached Dwarka alone, people thought Krishna had exiled Balram for the gem. Krishna was upset again. Krishna worships Ganesha. Krishna was dismayed to see his people suspecting him again and again. At that time, sage Narad visited Dwarka and found Krishna in an unhappy state. When asked the reason, Krishna said, "O Narad, people doubt my sincerity. Can I ever lie or steal? Am I to be suspected? People guide me. I need your help, as I think I am under some curse." Narad gently explained, "You have looked at the moon on the 4th day of the bright fortnight in the month of Bhadrapad. It is inauspicious to look at the moon on that night. It was on that night that the moon was cursed by Lord Ganesha. The curse was that anybody who would look at the moon that night would be falsely implicated. Krishna asked Narad whether there was any way to free him from the curse. He requested Narad to help him, as he did not want people to think ill of him. Narad answered, "Pray to Lord Ganesha with utmost devotion. Ganesha will free you from the curse." Krishna followed Narad's advice and freed himself from the curse.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.